Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how you can use rank formula in MS Excel. Rank formula is used to calculate ranks based on certain criteria. Rank is used to calculate the rank in MS Excel. Let's suppose you have a students list with their subjects and total marks. Now you want to calculate the rank of the student. Let's see how to do it using rank function in MS Excel. We have already made more than 25 videos of Advanced Excel, and the Advanced Excel with Screen Readers playlist is one of the most popular playlists in our channel. If you want to visit, you can watch that playlist. The link is given in the pinned comment for your easy use. I have already prepared one sheet. Here I have this data,
Graduate to name A1.
name, and there I have 5 subjects,
English, Math C1, Computer D, Geography, History F1,
then total marks.
Total G1,
So below total I have the total marks,
370, 440, 430, 230, 100, G7,
total 5 students of data I have,
100, except D6, 104, 200, total G, rank N1,
at the end I have rank column. Now
N2 Raju,
in N2 I want to apply the formula and then I just drag and drop. So let me press F2 to activate the cell.
edit blank,
Now press equal sign
equals,
and next type the formula rank,
R, A, N, K,
then left paren right paren.
rank, left, right parent, rank, parameter number required, parameter F required, parameter order optional,
So it is asking me to enter the parameter number, parameter ref and parameter order. So parameter number is that number based on which we will give the rank. So here we will use the total. So for Raju, the total is presented in our G2 column. Write G2,
G2,
comma.
G2, comma, space,
Next, we need to give the reference. Here we need to put the absolute reference because we don't want the reference change even we copy and paste the formula in the below cell. Why? Because if this formula will change, then our rank will not come, because our cell range is fixed here from G2 to G6 as we have 5 students. So to give the absolute cell reference, you use dollar
number,
$G,
G,
$1,
G, $1,
colon, sorry,
One, two.
$G, $2, colon,
2, colon,
$G,
percent, dollar, G,
then dollar
G, percent, dollar,
6,
6,
then comma.
6, comma, space,
Next you need to give the order. Order means either 1 or 0. 0 means descending. Here highest number will be rank 1, second highest will be 2, and so on. If you choose 1 or if you write 1, then the lowest number will be rank 1, second lowest will be 2, and so on. For our case, I am just using 0.
0,
Then press enter,
sheet 1 table, N3
and this is the rank for Raju.
3 as formula, N2 Raju,
Now I just copy this formula,
copy, N3 Anil,
paste here.
paste grouping 1, sheet 3, 1 as formula, N3 Anil,
So Anil's rank is 1.
3 as formula, N2 Raju,
Now I just
1 as formula, N3 Anil,
select other cells and drag and drop.
N3 1 through N3 1, fill down, quick analysis, 2 as 1 as formula,
One,
N3 Anil, 2 as
Anil.
formula, N4 Akash,
2 Akash,
4 as formula, N5 Ashok,
Ashok
5
4,
as formula, N6 Amit,
and 5 formula is Amit, and 3 is for Raju. Now if you want, you can easily sort this using sort and filter or whatever you want you can do. This is how you can use rank formula to calculate ranks. That's it guys for this video. If you find this content useful, like the video, subscribe to VI Tech Academy for more videos like this, and feel free to ask any queries into the comment section. You can join us on WhatsApp, Telegram and other social media. Links are given in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye.